Best fly ever. Bam. Oh, great. What do you call a fly with no wings? A walk. We're gonna take you along for a day in the life of a plumbing business owner guy. We could be sending pipe all over the highway. Rip up the window frame, rip up the stair trim. Watch your wires in front of you. Hey buddy, how are you? This is Gunner. We just got done filming a video replacing some water filters under our sink. There's a good chance that video came out just before this one or maybe after. It's a little partnership that we have with New Aqua water filters where basically they send us free product, we put it in, we make a video about it. Our payment is the free product. Pretty sweet little setup there. We made some towels wet in the process, so I'm gonna go throw these up in the dirty laundry upstairs. And we're gonna jump in the truck and we've got a couple of errands that we have to run today from some other jobs that we have going on at the moment. Just follow along with us and get to see what it's like to run a plumbing business, I guess. Austin can get you on camera kissing me goodbye.
I don't want to be on camera.
These boys are gonna need this too. I just realized they did not have this with them. We have 60 feet of pipe here. All right, so we just picked up some ladder racks out of our shop. Got them set up to where they can just slide into my bed and slide out so I can remove them. But now we gotta go grab some high density polyethylene piping from the supplier and run it out to one of the jobs that we're on where we're getting ready to replace their sewer line, and they're gonna need this piping. I've got one of our vendors that I need to make a phone call with along the drive, get a little bit more information about one of the loans that we have with them, needing to get what's called an amortization schedule. Most of what we do in this business is plumbing. However, there's so much that goes on behind the scenes just to be able to fix pipes and pet dog. One of those is communicating with mortgage people and making sure that we're good on all of the back-end bookkeeping and paperwork. Got a beef jerky stick in there?
No.
Oh
I haven't
man.
been putting beef jerky in anymore.
They're cheaping out.
No.
Them guys.
Cheez-Its in every box now, though.
We'll go with one of these. I got a pipe rack. Kind of janky, but kind of works. Come on.
Said, we're sorry your update could not be
Update
completed.
failed.
Please have.
Yeah. These things are so smart.
Yeah, and he's like, I don't use hybrids.
I don't know. EV people and hybrid people are weird. Have gauge will question, right?
Right.
It'll be like, what does this gauge mean? I need to take it into warranty. If the gauge wasn't there, you would have no concerns.
And, you know,
I'll see these people that are like, what does this thing on the gauge mean? What does this thing on the gauge mean? What does this thing mean? And it's like, people, enjoy the truck that you bought. Like, who cares? That'll hold. Oh wait, you gotta do the strap flick. That'll hold. So, we've gone to the shop and picked up our pipe rack. We've gone to the supplier and picked up the pipe. And now we're gonna head down the highway a little bit to where this sewer job is and drop this pipe off so these guys have some pipe to work with today and tomorrow as they're doing this pipe burst. I've never taken pipe down the highway with this pipe rack, so we're gonna find out if this works or not. We could be sending pipe all over the highway and we don't know. He's probably gonna destroy all them bricks that are in the way there too. Yeah, they'll throw a track on the machine though if you're not careful. You need to be careful because you're so close to the fence that you're not gonna be able to turn off the fence. The crew that we have, they're slightly newer, and so I'm training them by just kind of throwing them into the fire and letting them learn the hard way, which is the best way to learn. You need to come in at a stronger angle already. There you go. Forward, turn, there you go. Go forward, watch your wires in front of you. We're getting started on that hole back there. Tomorrow we'll get this whole job wrapped up and we'll be able to get their brand new sewer installed and get everything all buttoned up in one more day of working. Well, hold on, can you fit? Yeah, you can't. Go that way. If you park this on gravel and you do a 360-degree turn, you'll throw a track. Gravel gets up underneath the teeth.
Knocked it off a little.
And it just throws it, yeah, it'll throw a track so fast.
I got this one.
I plan to, I'm wanting to try to be. A lot of it depends on how far things are progressing and everything. It's so tight on the inside to weasel a pipe through everywhere. I mean, yeah, we have a window, but that window's this big and it's got a window well outside of it. And then the only path between that window and here is through the stair banister and everything like that. So we're just asking to rip up the window frame, rip up the stair trim and all of that stuff as that pipe has to bend around it. Right there, 7'2". For all intents and purposes, it's looking like our sewer is going to be somewhere in this area. A lot can happen between here and that main, right? It could 45 and be underneath that shed and we don't know it. We need to do what we can to get that camera in even farther and prove that it is in this area. Until next time, we'll see you later.